On this video, I'm going to show you of our series which the answer leads to a transcendental function. So, on the start of our solution, first I'm going to show you the power series of y, which is summation with n is equal to 0 approaches to infinity with Cn x raised to n. Then we're going to derive it, which is the y prime with this equation, x raised to n minus 1. Then the second derivative of y, which is summation with n is equals to 2 to positive infinity and n times n minus 1 Cn x raised to n minus 2. So we're going to substitute this series with our equation, which is y minus y double prime is equals to 0. So ry is equals to summation x raised to n and minus the y double prime, which is n is equals to 2 with n times n minus 1 Cn x raised to n minus 2 is equals to 0. As we can see, to factor out the summation and the term xn, we have to make the n on the other side equal to 0 to make the two terms equal. So to do that, we're going to subtract 2 in here and then add 2 on the upper terms with all of the n. Then we can have equation like this: 0 with n plus 2 n plus 1 Cn plus 2 x raised to n. So as we can see, the terms of x raised to n, both sides are now equal. So we can factor it out.